we are adding further. And also nowadays, there is one more theory is building. Double income, no kids, let us enjoy. Even your parents should have thought like that. What happened for all of you? This is the biggest challenge I am talking about it. Some girls and boys are talking even better to have one startup rather than have kid. That is another psychology, painful psychology. No, I wanted to make it very clear. Long back, around 95, when I became CM, AIDS was very, very big issue at that time. Everybody is thinking it is a social stigma. Nobody should talk. I gave a slogan, break silence, talk about AIDS, otherwise there will be a big problem. Then I started all these things. I asked parents, take your children confidence. Even sex issues also you have to talk to your children. Then only we can put an end to AIDS. Otherwise, all problems will come. Today, I am very happy we are able to control AIDS. Today, I am talking all of you, talk about population management. Have more children. For that, I introduced one bill long back. More than 2 children, you are not eligible for contest in local bodies. Now I lifted it recently. Now I want to introduce one more bill. Less than 2 children, you are not eligible. We wanted to make it a social stigma also. You are very selfish. You are having less than 2 children, you are very selfish. Then people will you have to ask them, it is a social responsibility for all of us. Even recently, if you see, Putin was talking, even holidays, less working, all these things. Even I gave one slogan now, Amma Odi. Any number of children, I am going to give 15,000 rupees for the mother. 2 children, 30,000, 3 children, 45,000, 4 children, 60,000. Earlier, maternity leave for women in government, only 2 deliveries. I am giving 4, 5, 6 deliveries. Somewhere you have to start. Some radical thinking. Once if you see, for a person 5 kg rice, more than 5, only 25 kgs. Now I want to liberalize. Even more family members, more family benefits. I wanted to encourage them. You have to understand one thing. Biggest advantage globally, Indian families. And no other family in the world can beat Indian family. When you are in the family life, you are having security. Health security, financial security, or physical security, you name anything. If you work very hard, go home. Have a cup of coffee with family members. You will be relaxed. You will be charged. That is the beauty of Indian families. And also we are all thinking marriage is decided by destiny, heaven. God is decided, we are all following. That is keeping Indian families together. If you go to other countries, your children, my children, our children. At the end of the day, I am not joking. Even China, one child norm. After marriage, both children are living separately. Only wife and husband. If somebody leaves early, then lonely family. That is the biggest challenges all over the world. But Indian culture has given biggest advantage family that is helping us in health. If you can see, even Parvendra is here. His son Satyanarayana is Chancellor, Vice Chancellor. Now he is mentoring him. He is 85 years. He is also 50, 55 years. But he is mentoring him. That is the beauty of Indians. Other countries, father has to give money for his son as loan. Son will give father as a loan. No free. Can you imagine the sentiment of Indians? We are fortunate to born in India as Indians. I am proud of it. This legacy we have to protect. For this, again, I am early to start. I am always visionary, that is the problem. People may not understand now. Recently I am talking deep technology. People are asking me what is deep technology. Very difficult to explain. Now, originally I used to talk about IT. Nobody used to understand me. Then at the time, youngsters, you are all forgetting. At the time there was BSNL, VSNL telecommunication sector. BSNL is domestic calls, VSNL is international calls, both are public sector. To talk foreign calls, very difficult. I told in assembly one day, I am not talking to my son who is in America because of prohibitive cost. If I talk liberally, then he will raise in the assembly. He is talking his son, he is spending huge money on telecommunication. Then I searched all over the world. China was moving very fast. Then I want to go for deregulation of telecommunication sector to promote information technology. Bandwidth is very, very important. You have to keep it in mind. Long back I gave a statement. Day will come, charges will be per capita bandwidth consumption. At that time, every 1 minute you talk, this is the rate. 2 minutes, this is the rate. 3 minutes, this is the rate. Everybody heckled me how it is possible. That is the vision I have given 30 years back. Today, for voice, there is no charge. So what I wanted to make it very clear, what all I told you, 10 principles, I will work very hard to make it a reality.